Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture, we have discussed time in AM or PM. In this video, we will learn how to read time on analog and digital clock. Today our topic is analog or digital time. This is the clock. All of you must have this clock in your homes. This shows analog time and this shows digital time. Numbers are written in digits. This is analog clock. An analog clock has moving hands. There are two hands in this clock. It shows hours hand and this is minutes hand. This is the clock that shows time in digits. This is called digital clock. This is digital clock. In digital clock, if it is 12, it is 12 noon. In digital clock, the midnight time is 24 hours. In digital clock, the midnight time is 24 hours. As the next day starts, the time is counted from 0001. It means there are 0 hours and 1 minute or 1 minute past midnight. On analog clock, it is 1 p.m. and on digital clock, 1 hour past 12 noon is 13 hours. On digital clock, 1 hour past 12 noon is 13 hours. If it is 2 p.m. in digital clock, it is 14 hours. In digital clock, it is 14 hours. We will add 2 in 12 and we will get 14. If it is 3 p.m. in 12 noon, we will add 3. We get 15. On digital clock, it is 15 hours. On digital clock, it is 15 hours. If it is 4 p.m. so what will be the time on digital clock? In 12, we will add 4 and we will get 16. On analog clock, if it is 4 p.m. on digital clock, it is 16 hours. If it is 5 p.m. on analog clock, what will be the time on digital clock? It's 17 hours. In 12, we will add 5 and we get 17 hours. If it is 6 p.m. on analog clock, what will be the time on digital clock? Yes, add 6 in 12 hours and we will get 18 hours. We will get 18 hours. On analog clock, if it is 6 p.m. on digital clock, it is 18 hours. If it is 7 p.m. on analog clock, what will be the time on digital clock? Yes, students, it's 19 hours. We will add 7 in 12 hours and we will get 19 hours. If the time on analog clock is 8 p.m., what will be the time on digital clock? It's 20 hours. On digital clock, it's 20 hours. What will be the time on digital clock? If the time on analog clock is 9 p.m. Yes, we will add 12 and 9 and we will get the time, that is 21 hours. In 12 hours we will add 9 hours and we will get 21 hours. What will be the time on digital clock if the time on analog clock is 10 p.m.? Yes? It will be 22 hours. On digital clock, it will be 22 hours. What will be the time on digital clock if the time on analog clock is 11 p.m.? Think about it. Very good. It's 23 hours. If the time on analog clock is 11 p.m., the time on digital clock is 23 hours. What will be the time on digital clock if the time on analog clock is 12 p.m.? It's 24 hours. In this video, we have discussed how to read time on analog and digital clock. In the next video, we will learn how to read bar graph. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.